Guys, today we are going to learn how to make these paper fruits. See, let's get started. Start the supplies, markers. We can use colored markers, we can use crayons and plenty of colorful papers. Now we are going to make orange slice. So here there are 3 layers. One is orange, dark orange, then yellow, and inside these cutouts or shapes, okay, it's also orange color. So we are going to first draw orange slice. I have drawn, now I am going to cut it. This yellow part is smaller than the first layer, so we are going to draw the yellow layer here and we are going to cut it a little bit smaller. Okay, first we are going to do the tracing, then I will tell you what to do. I have drawn and I am going to cut it. Okay, now I will I will make another outline. See, and it's a little bit smaller than the first layer. See, so this extra part we are going to cut. Okay, we are going to place it here, and now we are going to draw these shapes. We will draw one shape and we are going to fold the paper and we are going to cut more shapes with one drawing. Okay, see, I will fold the paper and I am going to cut 4 shapes like this. See, I have folded the paper into 4 layers. So I will cut this shape, so then I will get 4 shapes of this. Now we are going to fix all these shapes. First I am going to this yellow shape I am going to fix it over here, our first layer. Then one should be here, one here, one here, and one here. Now I'm going to fix all these with the glue. I will use this orange crayon. The edges I am going to shade. Okay friends, I hope you like my video. Please like and subscribe my channel for more interesting videos.